Can you clean while my property is being staged or styled?
Yes, we frequently work alongside property stylists and home staging teams to ensure your home looks flawless before going to market. Whether the furniture is being delivered the same day or your stylist needs us to clean around delicate items, we're flexible and experienced at working in tandem with other professionals. Our team is trained to clean around partially styled or staged items with care, protect furniture, rugs, and fragile decor, coordinate our timing to minimize disruption, ensure all high visibility areas like kitchens, floors, windows, and bathrooms are pristine for photography and open homes. Styling is the dress rehearsal, cleaning is the foundation. We work behind the scenes to make your home shine so the styling can truly stand out in your photos and campaign. Tip: book your Presale Clean just before styling installation for best results. We can also return for a final polish right before the first open home if needed.